Oh shit. Ouch! It hurts because the tailbone is still hurting. Bandi Rumba? Huh? Bandi Rumba? Super. They are resorting to all kinds of illegal activities. Wow. Idiots come in all sizes. And he's like, oh my god. So bravely you came this side, huh? There. That is where I got a little flustered. We made it. Check this out, guys. Welcome to a new video, guys. You're watching Just Wish, and today we are at Pondicherry. Super nice people, yeah. The moment, you know, it's a thing with the biker, I guess. The moment people come to know that you're touring on a motorcycle, they give you profound respect. So today's journey is going to be from here, Pondicherry. We're going to take the coastal route, which not a lot of people have taken, but I'm going to try that. So it's going to go through Chidambaram, Kariyakal, and then from there on through the coast to Rameshwaram. Yes, today we are heading to Rameshwaram. It is a happy sad end here to Pondicherry. You'd know by the last video. I really missed my wife on this trip because last time I was here, I was with her. Nonetheless, I've hatched a plan with her, so you will also come to know about that pretty soon. So that's about it. It's hot and humid, and let's quickly get onto the bike and get moving. Yep. If you guys are new here, let me cross the road. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram to get all frequent updates. Bye bye, Anna. Bye. Take care. Thank you for the great service. Now we have to just take these two. The rest of everything is on the motorcycle. That's Lela County. And let's leave. This is a bigger one. You can put it on that place. Okay, this is a smaller one. Alright, so I gave him my stickers. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And bike is fully loaded. It's about 9:30 in the morning. That's the promenade area is that side, the French town. This is Heritage Town. I've reduced the amount of air that's there in this cushion because guess what? Because guess what? I started a tailbone pain after riding so long and sitting on a soft bed editing the video. Alright, let's get on to the road. Okay, I'm running a little low on my sanitizer, so I need to pick up some. Chai truck here has been my go-to place for some really amazing chai while I stayed very close to it. So let me just go and quickly pick up some sanitizers. Everything's come alive today. Until yesterday everything was like off, completely off, nothing available. So yeah, I am leaving Pondicherry town right now. So like I was telling you, I've developed like a nagging pain on my tailbone, and man, it irritates like crazy. It's not very painful, but it's like a nagging pain. So that is a new development. Okay, it's a left here for Kudalur, and the official adventure, you know, after riding about 2,500 odd kilometers now, the official adventures ahead. Sorry, excuse me, I sneezed, but there is mask for protection, you know. It's a chota sa task. Please wear a mask. Chota sa task. Chinna task. I should have made like South Indian version of it. Chinna task, wear mask. And I haven't had breakfast. I just had like a chikki bar and lots of water, and seems good. I would prefer to have some idli, but the journey ahead is about 8 hours, 8.5 hours, about 412 kilometers on state highway. So I don't think I should stop much unless I intend to get robbed in the dead of the night in the Tamil Nadu coastal belt. So Senthil back at Banana Cafe also told me that you avoid traveling in the night because due to pandemic, people have lost a lot of their livelihood, and they are resorting to all kinds of illegal activities. So don't be too adventurous in the night. Now there are Pondi cops right ahead. I haven't had an opportunity to film them, but their uniform's really unique. I'll take this opportunity of having this camera right in front of me switched on, and as I go past them, I'm going to whisk past and show you their uniform. Check out the nice red cap they wear. So cool, huh? There are cops here as well. Periyathalai. 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 I was under the assumption that petrol and alcohol will be cheaper here in Pondicherry, but my friends, that is not the case. Alcohol, I checked a couple of beers. They were really expensive. In fact, they have something called a Corona tax that is applied to alcohol. So that screws your agenda of coming to Pondicherry and getting sloshed on cheap alcohol. That's not going to happen now. As far as petrol is concerned, I think the difference is not much. So it's a bit of a bummer. Just an update in case you're interested. So I gave sir one sticker and he immediately put his mask on. Sir, I'm doing from Kolkata. I'm going to Kanyakumari. Tour. हाँ अकेला जा रहा है. ये YouTube चैनल है, इधर वीडियोस आएगा. आपका ठीक है. Okay, just had a quick breakfast stop here at Anand Bhavan, which was kind of required, and now we will move on without much stops now. Want to make up time. I always tend to do this. I first lose time and then play catch up. Get it. Okay, some kind of traffic jam here on a country road. Looks like a very unlikely place for a traffic jam. Something has gone wrong. Whoops. Oh shit. Look at these akkas having a chill conversation, kind of lounging on the back of this auto. Oh my god. So much for my adventure. It's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Ouch! It hurts because the tailbone is still hurting. Nonetheless, we have to march ahead to Rameshwaram because every time I stop, I lose time and the clock just pushes further and further into the darkness. Problem with these country routes is that anybody can come from anywhere, just about anywhere, and it's pretty crazy. You bang into somebody and then your vehicle is seized and you'll be harassed. And not that I'm saying people here harass, but generally speaking. Ayoda, is this highway? Oh my god. Give me some open roads, God. Oh, I'm lugging too much weight behind me, God. Come on, God. Dear God. Oh, Lord. Now, a lot of people have told me that it's going to be a really beautiful patch of road that you'll drive through. And more so, you're doing at the best time of the year. When the when the retreating monsoons are also gone. Everything is green. Lakes will be full of water. Ayuda Amma, please don't cross until I cross. Yeah, much better. Imagine crossing these roads in the dead of the night, man. I have shit in my pants doing this. So Nagapattinam district starts from here, very close to the sea. This is the ECR, and I'm passing through this for the first time. So I keep dipping in and out of villages and towns of coastal Tamil Nadu, and the experience is very nice, very, very nice. According to the ancient Chinese proverb, if you travel 1,000 miles, that's far more enriching than reading 1,000 pages. And in pursuit of that, and I'm trying to experience local culture, local cuisine as I tread along. So the journey so far has been absolutely fantastic. Thank you, God, for the route so pleasant. If you can see in my mirror, my sanitizer dispenser is refilled.
at Pondicherry, so whenever I reach a new place I abundantly spray the sanitizer just to ensure, because I'm alone, anything can happen. Why take the risk? The Kane Furniture is here, beautiful village. Thank God, I'm liking it. I'm starting to feel the vibe of the place. It's very nice. We're not gonna stop for lunch because we had a hearty breakfast at Kuddalur. Okay, this is what fascinates me. Now if you see, the houses have started to change. You see these clay tiles on the roof, and the houses are all now sloping. Both the roofs are sloping on both sides, and they put clay tiles. One of the main reasons of the structures of house being like this from here onwards is because of the rainfall. There's so much rainfall that happens. Bandi tank capacity or engine capacity? Tank capacity 11 liters.
11 liters.
Bandi room. Bandi rumba. Bandi rumba. Super bar.
Scientist.
Huh? So this guy is fascinating. Hand also. ऐसा करो. हाँ.
अभी इसी में अभी. Channel,
YouTube channel पेर Just Wish. Just Wish. The QR code scan कर लो. QR code scan, channel automatically will reach. हाँ. अभी को बुलाओ, अभी बताएगा. हाँ, अभी को बोलो. अभी सब कुछ जानता है. So I gave this guy a few stickers now. In a matter of a minute, he has given it to all his friends. So cool. And no points for guessing his best friend is that guy Abhi. For everything he's like Abhi, hey Abhi. Ah, yeah, my tailbone still hurts. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Idiots come in all sizes. Two-wheeler, four-wheeler, everything. Oh, thank God, sun is not set yet, which means I have more light. That is a lighthouse, which means the sea is Vanga, opposite to that side. That's so cool. So guys, it's 6:30 in the evening now. We are about 82 kilometers from Rameshwaram. That's a long distance. But I just wanted to show you guys how this particular place looks like. And I think God has been kind. He's left some light. It's 6:30 and it's still not dark, so it's scientifically we are near the equator, so it must be more bright, but God has been kind. That's all that I can say. Okay, so this is about 51 kilometers from Rameshwaram. The sun has totally set. As you can see, it is totally dark. And I stopped here for some chai break. And would you be surprised if I tell you that I've already made friends, local friends from here? Yeah. So met two boys here. As usual, as a solo biker, people become curious. So he asked me, what are you doing, where are you going? So I told him I'm going from Kolkata to Kanyakumari. And he's like, oh my god, so bravely you came this side, huh? That is where I got a little flustered. I'm like, what is so brave about it, dude? Don't tell me there's something wrong here. And yeah, so he's like, no, haven't seen a lot of people do this at this time of the day. So yeah, that's how it is. That's the best part about road trips. You get to meet a lot of new people. You just need to use your sense of judgment to decide whether they are good people or not so good people. Now, I think I'm pretty good at that by now. Nonetheless, I had a samosa and like a donut and chai. Pretty okay, nothing great. Does the job, but let's keep moving. Okay guys, I think we made it. Check this out guys, we are in Rameshwaram, right in front of the temple. So cool. All right, that's amazing. Okay, now my job is to find a place to stay. Oh, thank you God.